This is Mamelodi Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium. Thank you for supporting the channel. Keep on supporting the channel by subscribing. Click the subscribe button at the bottom and make sure that you watch the videos. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Cape Town Spurs not. My brother, how do you feel about the game?
My brother, I'm very excited about the team and everything they've done. The team played so well today. Like, I'm so happy, my brother.
Yeah.
I'm overwhelmed with the happiness.
So are you happy with the rotation?
Yeah, the way they play the ball, like tiki-taka, you know how sometimes play, my brother.
Yes.
This is the ball, my brother, we play.
Yeah.
This is the ball we always play.
Yeah.
And we always win.
Exactly. Like, are you happy about the rotation near the player?
Yeah. Like the way they change players and give others chance.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Because of the others, I think Team A is a bit tired now. So because of they've been playing a lot of games and like you can see even the last 2 games, they didn't play well.
We saw how we play, and the results were not well.
Yeah.
But we gave others chance.
But the boys, they performed. They showed hunger.
They showed that they've got so much talent.
Exactly. And then who was your man of the match?
Master Chef.
Master Chef. He's number 24.
Master Chef.
Yeah, he played well.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Master Chef, we know.
No, thank you very much, my brother.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.